I'm a Bangladeshi and I'm coming from Bangladesh to here, replacing hair loss from 5 to 6 years, I guess. And I think I've been researching so many years about hair transplant, and I find IFT Hair Science in YouTube and Instagram. Actually, their results are very good, and latest technique, interlocking IFT interlocking hair technique is इसमें actually hairline बहुत अच्छा आता है. The doctor takes 5 to 6 hours my surgery time, so it was very nice. The environment was very clean and they were very friendly to me, so I feel very comfortable. And I think 4,000 grafts implanted